my name is Girish Madhavan. I am the MD of Quartzel Systems Private Limited. I would like to take this time to inform what Quartzel has been doing all these years. We are 20 plus years and we've been delivering technology products to customers. Today, I would like to inform you that we have a team of 150 odd engineers across India doing solutioning, implementing and managing the entire infrastructure for customers. So today we have also been building data centers for customers. We have been doing a lot of smart rack solutions for customers and also helping the customers in trying to understand the best solution by a good ROI and TCO. Today I would like to also tell you certain wins what we did along with certain large customers by showing our technology process and implementation by doing a lot of POCs to customers. So today, by doing a POC, the customer gets more confidence that we can deliver and implement and manage these products for them. So by which we are able to also showcase our complete solutions to the customers. So if you come to our office, we have a full-fledged POC centers for customers where we can showcase applications and certain large storage and backup solutions which can be proven and shown to them by how the particular technology works. So today what we have felt is most of the time our engineers don't learn at the customer's place. They try to learn in our office and then go deliver this product to the customers and showcase what is the best implementation can be done. So today we become a trusted partner to the customers, and most of the time the trust helps the customer also to scale up their business and we help them to scale up. And this has been our way of working all along, and we would like to thank the entire customers who've been with Quartzel and also helped us to grow to this extent. And I'd also like to thank my entire team who has been with me and got themselves certified and learning the new technologies which has helped us to grow to this extent. So thank you once again to the entire team and the customers who helped us to grow to this, and thank you BNI for giving this opportunity to talk about our company. Thank you.